Good afternoon. This is my review of the TAILI Vacuum Storage Bags. I really like them. They're very nice. They come 4 to a pack. And I already have one of the packs open, and here's my storage bag. I have a few things that I'm going to stick in there. We're going to start with this blanket. I'm going to open up the storage bag. I'll show you what this does in a minute. Just like any time that you're using any kind of vacuum bag, you want to try to pack it in as much as possible. So we're going to take this all the way over to the edge like that. Okay. And put the next thing in. These happen to be sheets that I don't use very often. So they're going in here. There we go. That's one. There's another one. And black one. And another one. We have room for one more. There we go. Actually, we probably have room for more, but I'm sticking these in here because these are the ones I don't use very frequently. Okay, so you can see how stuffed that is and how tall that is. And this is, when you want to put something like this into your linen closet, it takes up a lot of space, which we don't have. So, next thing we do, this is a tool to help close the gap. So you take the tool like this and align this like this and run this like that. Stick everybody in there. So good. Keep on sealing it. You can start from this side too if you want. Might have to press down a little bit so everybody fits. You don't want to get anybody stuck in the crack, so to speak. Now, oops, that one is stuck in this. Okay. Okay. You can see I'm going all the way over here. It's nicely sealed. All right. And here comes the magic. See how big that is? Okay. This is just a regular vacuum cleaner. Okay, here comes the fun part. I want you to notice this. This is the valve. Open the valve. Have to have the valve open in order for the vacuum cleaner to work. So, the valve is open, and you take your vacuum cleaner and put the business end right over the valve. Turn your vacuum cleaner on. There's going to be noise. And see? Turn your vacuum cleaner off and put this into the closed position. Now, the difference. This is amazing. This is going to go into my linen closet now, where I will have a lot more room. I still have a whole bunch that I need to do, and we'll see you later. Thanks for watching.